In this module, we are diving into something every finance leader needs to master: working capital management and fund flow optimization. With ChatGPT, you'll see how easy it becomes to generate insights, dashboards, and strategies without needing complex ERP setups or heavy Excel work. As cost accountants, we look beyond just P&L. We analyze the movement of cash, receivables, inventory, and payables. Let's say you ask ChatGPT, explain working capital cycle of a manufacturing company with 90-day inventory and 60-day credit terms. It not only explains the concept, it helps you map delays, interest impact, and improvement strategies. Need to help a business improve collections? Try prompting. Create an aging analysis summary and collection strategy for a company with 500 clients and 60-day credit terms. Or for payables, suggest ways to extend payable cycles without affecting supplier relationships. With just a prompt, you get practical suggestions like credit restructuring, vendor negotiation templates, and follow-up systems. Inventory eats up cash, and ChatGPT can help find the balance. Prompt: suggest inventory control strategies for a seasonal product business. You'll get EOQ logic, reorder point models, and storage cost versus holding cost trade-offs explained clearly. For cash holding, use give a cash flow buffer recommendation for a services business with irregular billing. You'll get a smart baseline for reserves, great for advisory. Need a fund flow statement? Just type, draft a fund flow statement format with examples for a small manufacturing company. Or go deeper, analyze movement in working capital for a company where sales grew 50% but cash fell. ChatGPT gives structured insights that you can directly plug into your client reports or MIS. Let's break this down for various CMA roles. CMA or CA in industry. Use it to analyze monthly working capital KPIs and prepare dashboards for CFOs. CMA or CA in practice. Help clients unlock blocked cash and improve their cash-to-cash cycle with ChatGPT strategy support. VCFOs or startup consultants. Build cash runway projections and guide fund utilization like a pro. Like, share and subscribe.